teammates natin online. Dito lang yan sa Ready, Tweet,
Go!
Go, James!
Patuloy lang sa pakikibanding sa amin online through our official online Facebook and Twitter chat.
Okay, ano sabi ng mga
Okay.
teammates natin dyan?
We have a comment from Nina Aragon. Okay. Thanks ABS-CBN for giving us shout out. The best Christmas gift for us team.
Yes, talaga.
Totoo yan. Comment from Jake Alo. I love seeing the A-pop boys in shoutout. Super cute talaga sila. Hope madami pa kayong song numbers for A-pop.
Comment naman from Lauren May. I love shoutout. Pampagana bago gumawa ng homework. Excited ako to watch all the front numbers dahil ang galing talaga.
Perfect.
Okay, tapusin natin basahin yung mga comments. Tweet lang ng tweet at post lang ng post sa aming Facebook.
Go, James!
Patuloy lang sa pakikibanding sa amin online through our official Facebook, Twitter, and chat.
At ito, guys, itutuloy na natin ang bunutan! James, Deva, bumura na kayo sa ating Christmas tree.
Okay, go. Purot na, James, Devon, and Lee. Okay, guys, ha. Eto naman, mamaya na natin ang ituloy ang Kris Kringle bunutan dahil eto na ang matagal na natin hinihintay! Ang bonggang request ng karamihan ay finally matutupad na kasama ang beautiful ladies ng Friendsters, Lynn, Bianca, Yen, and Trisha, our breakthrough performer of the day, Enchong D!
Gentlemen, on the sunny day, such a beautiful girl walking down the street, single striped brown eyes with tears coming down. She deserves a crown. Where is it now? Mama, listen, señorita, I feel for you. You're doing things that you don't have to. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his song. You can feel this real love if you just lay your mind fast in my mind. Girl, don't you slow me down. If we carry on the same time, you might leave the ground. How would you like to fly? That's how my feet should fly. But you still deserve a crown. Has it any fun? Mama, listen. I feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his song. You can feel this real love if you just lay your mind. Lay mine. Mama, lay mine. Baby, won't you lay mine?
Very good, very good, very good. Yay! Enchong!
Thank you.
Alam ko,
Grabe.
matagal mo ng pangarap talaga kumanta kasi singer ka eh, di ba? Just like me.
Oh, thank you nga pala kay Yen, Lin,
Yes,
Bianca,
thank
and
you.
Trisha. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you for letting me your body.
Chong, gusto ko lang malaman, sino ba daw ang inspiration mo for that very nice performance?
Sino ba? Ayun o, mga Enchong D-World sila lahat. Teammates, lahat ng teammates, syempre. Kasi request nila yun eh.
Okay.
Ano ba? Teka, pagkatapos ng senyorita na yan, ano ba yung susunod mo pa na pasiklab? Ano pa? Gusto ko sing and dance na hataw. O yes! lang, nire-request ko na.
Sige, ikaw na. Dance ka na ngayon. Anyways, Enchong ha, thank you so much. Ang galing nun. Up next po, ang Water with the New Teammates dito lang sa...
Shout out!